In this class, we are going to learn how to install the Postman on your Windows operating system computer. The easiest way to install Postman is with the help of any search engine. You can search with this keyword, that is Install Postman. So the first link over here, if you see, it is the Postman. Just look for the URL, that is www.postman.com. Downloads. Click on this. So there are two ways how we can access the Postman. We can directly make use of the Postman web, that is clicking on this, try the web version. If you just click on this, it will ask you to create a Postman account. Suppose if you are creating for the first name, your work email, username and the password. Or if you don't want to register over here, rather sign up with the help of Google, just click on this and log in with your Google account. Also, if your company is using Postman officially, then you can log in with the help of company SSO. So this is one of the methods of easily accessing Postman, that is without installing any of the softwares on your computer. I will demonstrate how we can download the Postman. Just click on this Windows 64-bit. So it will take a couple of minutes in order to download this exe file on your computer depending on the internet speed. So I will pause this class until this exe file downloads on my computer. So once the exe file completely downloads, just click on this. Clicking on the exe file will open the dialog something like this, wherein you can click on the sign up for free. Suppose if you are accessing for the first time, just click on this. Here you can provide your work email, username, password. I will just click on sign up with Google as I am trying to log in with my Google account. Just select one of the username and click on continue. You will get a prompt. Click on open over here. It will open the Postman like this. When you are using your application or the Postman for the first time, it will ask for the name. I will give some random names over here. Click on continue. Yeah. Now you can start creating the requests over here by selecting one among them, like the HTTP request, and provide the URL and click on send. Suppose if you already have an account, then what we can do is we can just sign out from our previously logged in account from the Postman. Just close this. You will get this sign in button at the top. Just click on this. It will again route you to the web-based version, and it will show you the prompt wherein it will show the recently used accounts to access the Postman. Suppose if you are not getting this prompt, then you can just click on sign in with different accounts. Suppose if you are getting, just straight away click on this. Now suppose we will consider you already have an account, then you will see something like this window. I will tell sign in with the Google. Now here I am going to select my Google account, again this one. Click on open. Then we have logged into our account in the Postman application. So like this, we can install the Postman on your Windows computer and log in or sign in into your Postman application with the newly created account or with the help of previously created account as well.